platforms that you can use to get remote jobs and freelancing gigs as a content marketer. Hey guys, welcome to Anything Content. My name is Naomi Salami. If you're new here, please subscribe so that you would not miss any tips that I'm going to be sharing on anything concerning content. So let's get started. So the way I'm going to do this video, I would give you where you can get freelancing gigs separate and give you where you can get remote jobs separately. Now let's start from freelancing. Now content marketing is just an umbrella that has many skills underneath it that you can sell on the freelancing market. We have social media, we have content creation, we have content strategy, we have content planning, we have SEO content writing, we have email marketing, we have blog creation, we have graphic designing, we have video editing. Now, all of this, they're under content marketing. Now, where do you get places that you can sell some of these skills that I have mentioned so you can get some money? So, number one, Upwork. All you have to do is search the skill you want. It could be content writing, or basically what I just do is I put content and it brings every job underneath content. All you have to do is make sure that your profile is very good. Then put the amount that you like to sell that skill for. So number two, Fiverr. Fiverr and Upwork, they are almost the same thing. Only difference is for Fiverr, you have to create a whole portfolio. Just like I mentioned with Upwork, you put in content, then it's going to bring out a whole bunch of freelancing gigs or tasks or skills that you can get from Fiverr. Number three, People Per Hour. People Per Hour is also a freelancing marketplace where you can go there, search for the skill you want to sell, search for tasks, put your price. Don't undersell yourself. Put your price and keep your fingers crossed. Number four, Freelancer. Yes, it's just Freelancer. It's also a freelancing marketplace for you to sell your skills. Mind you, these four sites I have mentioned, it's not that you search for one, you apply for one and you go and see. No, you're basically selling yourself. So you have to keep submitting, bidding, sending out portfolios till you get that one that is going to help you out. Moving on to remote jobs. Now, what separates remote jobs from freelancing gigs is freelancing gigs, you're basically your own person. You are not tied to one company, meaning you are not obligated to attend meetings, you're not obligated to give updates every time of your task. As long as they've given you a task, you're given the time you deliver it, and you deliver it, you are good. But for remote jobs, it's basically like a normal 9 to 5 with a little bit of flexibility of allowing you to stay at home while you work. Now, different types of sites you can get remote jobs from. Number one, working nomads. It's in the name, nomads. You don't have an office, right? You can work from wherever. Search for the job you're looking for, if it is content marketer, if it is content creator, if it is social media manager, search for it. We work remotely. Search for the job you want. Search extensively. Please note that your CV has to be up to date. Jobspresso. Jobspresso. Just like the others, put your job that you're looking for, your desired job you're looking for, and search away. And the last one, LinkedIn. Now, I feel like a lot of people forget that LinkedIn can also be used to get remote jobs. Same thing that applies to it. Put the job that you want, put it on the search bar, put the country, or just put remote. Then it will bring out all these filters, right? Then filter out remote. If you want hybrid, if you want on-site, but we're looking for remote right now. So filter out remote and filter out the country, filter out whatever things that need to be filtered out, and it will bring out a list of options for you. Do you get me? So just a side note. These sites I've mentioned, they're not just for content marketers, right? They are for, you can use it to get tech jobs, like product manager, project manager, software developer, sales rep, data science. It's quite a lot of them. But because I am talking to my people right now, my content marketers, my content people, these sites are useful for you. Now, I hope I've been able to convince you and not confuse you that these are some of the sites that can be useful to get freelancing gigs and remote jobs. Until next time, guys. Bye.